After struggling to record better guitar audio, I finally picked up the Behringer U-Phoria UMC22. I bought it from 5-Star Music in Melbourne for $99 plus $10 shipping. Let's open it up. Inside the box, everything is protected with foam. The interface comes wrapped in plastic along with a quality control card. There's also a welcome message from Music Tribe, a nice little touch that says, "There's a musician in every human being." You also get a USB cable. This powers the interface and connects it directly to your computer, so there's no separate power supply needed. Here's the UMC22, still wrapped in plastic. On the front, you can already see the microphone input, instrument input, and the gain controls for each channel. With the plastic removed, we get a better look. The combo XLR input is for microphones, while the instrument input is perfect for plugging in a guitar. The gain knobs control your recording levels. The direct monitor button lets you hear yourself, and the headphone output lets you monitor your recordings. On the back, there's the USB port, the 48-volt phantom power switch for condenser microphones, and the left and right outputs for connecting studio monitors. For just over $100 delivered, this looks like a great entry-level audio interface.